Hello, welcome back again. Kindly make sure that you follow this design process very carefully, attentively, and make sure that you copy all the steps involved and then learn it to imitate that in your processes so you can create very stunning business card and maybe extending it to designing other things yourself. Please subscribe, share, and like. Let's know what you're thinking by way of commenting with your opinion, and then let's know to help us find the best way to satisfy your needs for you, specifically your design needs and anything tech, because this channel is more of tech and more content on different types of tech will come up. We are here to serve you, so kindly follow it and do as we are urging you to do, to subscribe, share, and like, so as to encourage the YouTube algorithm to favor our content and at least even help, recommend it to some of your colleagues as well, so that they can watch it and then learn. So that is the purpose of this site, to teach everybody design and anything tech for free. Thank you. Let's begin then. Now I choose my rectangle tool and then give it a white background. Duplicate it. And then give this color a black color. Now I go for my curve tool. Press Ctrl Q to modify it a bit. Clip it inside, and it's clipped. Now let's get rid of the outline here, and I have to create some nice design here. Clip it inside for now. I have to edit it. Sorry, I have to edit and bring this one in front. Object group, bring in front. So shift page up. Bring that's the shortcut, and we love using shortcuts here. Now let me bring this up again. This should rather be shift page up, as that is the shortcut for it. And we are going to do a small editing here. Going to take a bit of time because of, so I bring this one here. I bring this one here. have to rotate this by logo is going to be this color. It will be here. That's how the middle of it, and then I'll have my QR code hidden somewhere here. Go to the back side here, give it a white background, get rid of the outline here. and then we white background, and then we duplicate the layer. Give it we have to shape it a little bit. So we are done. We have to go and export it. We have to increase the size of the logo a little bit, because that's the only content over the file. And we go to the double click on the rectangle to press P and then get rid of the outline. Then Ctrl E to export it. Go back to the second page and then do the same thing. Double click, pick to get rid of the outline. I've already pressed B. Then I do back and I see always remember to make the name of the back side different from the front side. So there's what we have created so far, the front side of it, and there's the back side of it. I think this is the back side of it. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like and share, and comment also. Thank you.